Yeah.
Even the deep pools aren't as deep as they used to be.
It's cold. Glad I got the waders on.
I'm glad you did as well, man. Always keep walking.
Yeah. Well, I see something kind of over right there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Well, I say we walk in this because we got waders. Fall fish are cool though. Yeah, fall fish are like sucker fish, but trout.
Sweet.
Make sure the drag is set. I haven't actually tested that. Alright, there's people. Look, there's a dude up there.
Really low, yeah.
Never know. They could be sitting right there. Could be a small one sitting there.
So cool.
See if something's sitting over here in like this kind of pool. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Well, he says just keep going, basically.
Yeah, we'll keep going.
Hopefully we can get on him today. Tons of rocks. Yeah, I think if we find the deeper pool, we'll be pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I got excited. It's a freaking snag. Dude, I was like, oh my god. I found something. A dead fall fish. A fall fish.
Really?
Yeah, he's dead though. Good sign, I guess. I say we fish up here. I got one. Oh my god, it's a giant fall fish. I saw him chase it.
Oh, that's always a good sign, dude.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. That's it?
Huh?
That's your fish?
Yeah. As soon as I get the hook out. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he's slimy. Big old fall fish. Alright, see ya. Looks like someone was taking a little bath. That's bath essentials right there.
Oh yeah, what the hell?
It's probably people who live in the mountain. Dude, that's so cool. Alright, well, caught a fall fish. Yeah, so I was reeling it kind of slow, and he came up, it's literally in this pocket of water. He followed it right there. So I think there's gonna be some fish over here. Oh, God damn it.
Now water's nothing deeper here.
Oh,
Oh shit.
oh, I'm like stuck. Ah.
Look at fucking quicksand.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah, I don't want to be walking in this.
shit, I'm stuck too.
The best thing to do is like lean forward to get that. Oh, it's coming. There we go. Oh. Huh?
Yeah, watch your hands first, bro.
What? Yeah. Right here. Yeah. Yeah, there's something feeding right here. I don't know. It keeps jumping. Oh, I got one, I got one. Oh, I think it's a trout. I think it's a trout. I think it's a trout. I think it's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Pretty big one. Let's hope we land her. So, oh! Yeah! Oh! Darn. Yeah, it was a rainbow. Darn, darn, darn.
That's freaking amazing.
I got really small hooks, so I got to loosen the drag, I think. I think I pulled the hook on it. Well, I say we try to fish this line, because I've been seeing fish jump from all up and down this thing. Darn, darn, darn. Oh, it's just so annoying. What? Can't give up. That's how trout are.
Frank lied to me.
I mean, we can still go upstream. Apparently, that's what everyone's been saying is upstream, so.
I mean, this is the upstream now, right?
I don't know. Well, they said the wall. And Frank also said the wall. So that might be the spot which they sit and they feed. Huh? Oh, that sucks. People probably kill him. That's the real answer. All right, where's the fish? I see one. Oh, and this might be gone. Oh, I got it. Oh yeah, I see him up there. I got one following it. I got one. I'm on. I'm on. I'm on.
I know.
Rainbow, rainbow. Come on.
Yes.
Yes! Let's go.
There, we got it.
I told you I'm determined. Do you want to open up the bail for me? Let's go. So he's got it all like tangled up. Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
I gotta get the hook out. He's just making it worse. Ooh. Try to get him like unhooked. I think I can at least do that. Oh my god, he's so slimy. Might need my pliers.
Damn, dude.
Come on. Oh my god. No, you just undid everything I just did. Alright, there we go.
Want a picture?
Absolutely. Try to keep them in the water.
No, I think you're fine.
I want to get this out. They're pretty delicate. You'd be surprised. I have to just cut it out. Got it like so twisted.
Fuck, dude, it paid off.
Yeah.
Persistence paid off.
Come on, man. We're just gonna have to cut it out. Yeah, you want to get the picture?
Yeah. Take it out.
Oh my god, it's so slimy.
Put some force on it, man. Don't worry.
Ooh. Ooh.
No.
I got him, I got him. We're good, we're good.
Very nice. Yeah, let me just do one of the fish.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
I named this fish Anna.
That's so cute.
Ah, name it after the girlfriend.
Yeah, no, that's how cute, man.
Come on, swim off now. There he goes. There he goes, look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I got one. I'm on. What is it? Oh, rock bass. Oh, there he goes. Open spots of leaves.
Oh, yeah.
Your legs getting cold too?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, that's a big one.
Oh my god, I just got slammed right there. Where's the big one? Oh my god. Look. Oh, I got him. Oh my god.
Shit.
No.
No!
No.
Dude,
Hey, do you see that?
I did see that.
Oh my. I hope the GoPro got. That was great. A huge rainbow. No.
Dude, what the?
Oh my god.